In this video, we will look at some of the best car DVR dash cam on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5, OBDPEAK for Wi-Fi DVR Dash Cam. Are you in search of a cutting-edge solution to enhance your driving experience? Look no further than the OBDPEAK for Wi-Fi DVR Dash Cam. Revolutionary CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Stay connected like never before with the OBDPEAK 4. Harnessing the power of CarPlay and Android Auto, this dash cam enables seamless integration with your smartphone. Make calls, enjoy your favorite tunes, send messages, and navigate with ease, all while keeping your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. Please note that while CarPlay is compatible with Siri, Android Auto functionality is not supported on Huawei phones. Effortless navigation with CarPlay mode. Experience hassle-free navigation with the K4's CarPlay mode. Simply activate the voice assistant and dictate your destination. The DVR will promptly map out the optimal route, ensuring a safe and convenient journey. Please note that while the DVR supports GPS tracking, GPS navigation software must be obtained separately. Precise GPS tracking, equipped with a GPS module, the K4 provides real-time speed tracking and records your coordinates en route. Utilize the dedicated player for detailed playback, allowing you to review your journey with unparalleled accuracy. Please note that the GPS antenna version is required for GPS functionality. Number 4, Imagebon 4K DVR Dash Cam. In the ever-evolving landscape of automotive technology, the Imagebon 4K DVR Dash Cam stands out as a pinnacle of innovation and performance. Unmatched performance with powerful 4-core chip. Experience lightning-fast performance with the Imagebon's top-class 4-core chip. Boasting the T computing power in a 14 nanometers architecture, this chip ensures swift startup in just 3 seconds, even while recording 4K front camera footage and 108p rear camera footage. Say goodbye to lag and delays, as the entire operating system runs seamlessly, setting a new standard in dashcam performance. Dual lens configuration for comprehensive coverage. Capture every detail of your journey with the Imagebon's dual lens setup. The front camera records in stunning 4K to 160p resolution, while the rear camera captures crisp 108p footage. With a wide-angle view of 135 up to 8 million pixels, the Imagebon ensures that crucial elements such as license plates and road signs are captured with unparalleled clarity. Opt for the rear camera option to achieve true 3840 to 160p 4K UHD resolution. Efficient video encoding with H.265. Maximize storage space without compromising on image quality, thanks to the Imagebon's adoption of the upgraded H.265 video codec. Compared to H.264, H.265 offers superior image quality while reducing storage requirements by more than 30%, ensuring that you can record more footage without worrying about running out of space. Number 3, OBDPEAK Dual Lens 4K DVR Dash Cam. Are you ready to revolutionize your driving experience? Look no further than the OBDPEAK Dual Lens 4K DVR Dash Cam. Capture every detail of your journey with stunning clarity. The OBDPEAK Dual Lens Dash Cam boasts a front camera recording in crisp 4K to 160p resolution, complemented by a rear camera capturing footage in 108p with a spacious 10.6-inch ultra-wide-angle touchscreen. You'll experience unparalleled visibility, ensuring that license plates, road signs, and other crucial details are captured with precision. Seamless integration with CarPlay and Android Auto. Stay connected and informed while on the road with the latest CarPlay and Android Auto features. Whether you prefer wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or opt for wired connection, the OBDPEAK Dual Lens Dash Cam ensures seamless integration with your smartphone. Make calls, listen to music, navigate, and access Siri with ease, all while maintaining focus on the road ahead. Number 2, TiESFONG Max to K144OP Dash Cam. Are you searching for the ultimate in-car surveillance solution? Look no further than the TiESFONG Max to K144OP Dash Cam. Experience comprehensive coverage with the TiESFONG Max, featuring a 4-channel car DVR system. With front, left, right, and rear cameras, this dashcam offers unparalleled visibility from all angles, ensuring that every aspect of your journey is captured with precision. High-resolution lens configuration. Enjoy crystal-clear footage with the TiESFONG Max's high-resolution lens configuration. Featuring a K144OP front camera and 3 108OP cameras for the left, right, and rear views. This dash cam delivers exceptional clarity and detail, setting a new standard for in-car recording. Advanced radar sensor parking monitor. Rest easy knowing that your vehicle is protected around the clock with the TiESFONG Max's radar sensor parking monitor. Upon detecting motion, the dash cam automatically initiates recording, safeguarding your vehicle against potential threats. When no motion is detected, the device enters standby mode, conserving power for extended surveillance. Durable construction for enhanced safety. Number 1 Ainavi Car DVR 4K dash cam. Stay connected and informed on the road with the ANVY Car DVR's wireless CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. Whether you prefer the convenience of CarPlay or the versatility of Android Auto, this dash cam ensures effortless integration with your smartphone. Enjoy GPS navigation, voice assistant support, and more, all with the touch of a button. Enhance safety with advanced driver assistance system. Drive with confidence, thanks to the Ainavi Car DVR's advanced driver assistance system ADAS. That's it for now. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.